Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to convert a polyline into a text. So let's just assume that this is a polyline, and from that we'll write an A. Let's say an A from right over here. So let's say this is just a polyline, any polyline, and you want to convert this into text. So there is a simple command known as pdfshx text, which is right over here. pdfshx text. You just have to select over there, and your polyline will be converted into a text. So now you by just double clicking on it, you can easily write whatever you want. So let's say cat comrade. So this is how you convert a polyline into an AutoCAD text. So that was the main agenda of the video, because we had a comment earlier that how to change a polyline into a text. So this is how you change a polyline into a text. The command is very simple: pdf shx